you have spaghetti?
Chef, do we have pizza?
We don't have tomatoes.
Burger Boy!
Welcome to the Burger Boys restaurant. Have a seat. Hello, sir. Really wanna eat something?
Can have the menu. Can have cotton cheese first.
Here's your order, sir. Would you want something to eat, sir?
Yes, I'm hungry. Do you have spaghetti?
Wait a minute. Do we have spaghetti meatballs?
No!
No, we don't have, sir.
Do you have your dancha?
Let me check. Do we have lasagna?
No!
No, sir.
We have pasta.
Wait a minute. Do we have pasta?
No! Do you have pizza?
Let me check. Chef, do we have pizza?
Yes.
Chef, can you cook me pizza?
Yes.
Yes, we do.
I love pizza! Oh no! We don't have tomatoes! Let's go there. Hello, sis.
Hello?
Can you buy me tomatoes?
Sure thing. I'll go to the garden right away and pick you up some tomatoes.
Yes.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
Oh no! We need cheese and pepper. What are we gonna do? I'm gonna try this. This?
Not again.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi, Chef.
I need pepper and cheese.
So we ran out of cheese and peppers.
Can you please bring in some?
I'll head out to the supermarket and pick some.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
It's showtime.
Here's your pizza, sir.
Thank you.
So now we're done with the chef. Let's have pizza.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's eat the pizza.
It's yummy, yummy, tummy.
See you next time, everybody.
Bye. Burger Boy! Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!